guys, and welcome to my channel Learn Knowledge. So here is part 2 of question number 3 written here. So I'm going to start it. And what is the question? The question is completing square. So now I'm going to complete that one. So first of all, I will take this one here, ax square plus 4x is equal to plus a, because that one when goes there it will be plus. And now this is a here, so I'm going to divide a with all of them. So now ax square, I'm going to divide it with this one, and now next plus 4x, I'm going to divide with this one, and a by a, so I'm going to divide with this one too. Now this a will be cancelled with this a will be this. Now x square plus 4x by a and 0 left here. No, this is not 0 because 1, so it will be only 1. Now this is left here. Now so there will be in the next step x square, and I'm going to complete this whole. Then in next step I will close that as a in the formula. So now there is x1 x square here and 4x divided by a. Now I have to complete that one. So if I'm going to add something here, now there is 2 as you know a formula. Imagine it as a formula. In the next step I'm going to do that. You know this formula, I think so. This a, this x. Now I have to complete this one, and now what will be here, which will be b. As you know, I'm going to complete that one, so there will be b, a plus b. So b I'm going to add. So you know x, this one, and 2a plus a. So I'm going to add of square here and plus of square here. So this will be the b1. Now 2 by a square. Now this was the whole. Okay. Now this formula 2 by a. Now 2 when multiplied by 2 it will be 4, and this will be a square. Now in the very next step I'm going to close this formula as a plus b. So x plus 2 by a, and this will be whole square. And now this I'm going to same the denominator, as there is nothing, so there is 1, so I'm going to same these denominators. So now 4 by a square, when 1 is multiplied by a it will be a square, and this will be a square. Now in the very next step what I'm going to do, I will simplify these whole. Now a square plus 4, now a square. Now in the next step, now in next this will hold there, so I'm going to take common. So taking common, taking square, sorry, I'm going to take square, taking square root both side. Now x plus 2 by a square root, 2 was hid there, and now a square plus 4 divided by a square. Now this whole square, this we can cancel with that, and now 2 by a is equal to this. Now what is going to be done, this whole will be go there, so the value of x will become, now with that there will be minus 2, and then what will be plus minus this under root 4 by a square. Now there is a also. Now what is going to happen, you see that there is a square with that, so the under root is with the full whole. Now I'm going to cancel the under root a1, which is like that. So I'm going to cancel this one with that. Now in the very next step what will be Now this is your answer.